Well, good morning, my self-reliant peeps. I'm back in Pittsburgh. I'm going to do the, that crack between the ceiling and the wall to get it ready for when Glenn paints, or I do, till I can't. In the meantime, I'll just carry on. I decided to get the bottom done while I was fresh, versus after I've been up and down that ladder all day and then come back to it. And I think that was a pretty good idea.
Tracy, will you be able to take that wood?
What wood?
Behind you.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'll grab that. Just hand me that.
I hope I don't touch anything yucky.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Is that good, or should I try to get over the wheel well?
That's good. Shove that under there. To make it so the other one won't hold up.
Do I need to get these here screws out of here?
They just take everything, as is. Just throw it out. Well, that's it for today, my self-reliant peeps. We're calling it. I'm going to go through rush hour with a truckload of scrap or junk. So I'll probably go to the not junkyard, landfill Monday. If I go this weekend, I have to go through 1.5 inches of garbage sludge water, juices. It's nasty. But I find if you go Monday morning early, the floor has been cleaned and there's no garbage juice. So I'll probably leave it loaded and then dump it on Monday morning. But for now, calling it a day. Thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate my self-reliant peeps. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It goes a long way in helping my channel to grow. Have a good day. See you all tomorrow.